Okay, beta. Hello. We are doing the same chapter, The Making of a Scientist, on page number 37. Paragraph is this: if the theory proves correct, it will be a big step towards understanding the processes of life, and it might also lead to new ideas for preventing some types of cancer, other diseases. All of this is possible because of Hebraid's scientific curiosity. So here the writer, you can say, here the writer is just making us understand that if what Hebraid is doing, which type of researches he is doing, if everything is going to be clear and all correct, so it will be a great contribution to our science, great contribution to cure the diseases, great contribution to cure the cancer also. So like this only, the writer is making us understand that if Hebraid, actually the writer wanted to tell you all the student that because of his curiosity he keeps on researches, he keeps on you can say searching here and there, he keeps on the collection, he just continuing his researches, continuing his studies. So because of that curiosity, he has got the idea of searching, idea of experiment. So here the writer is making you curious, making you can say deserving, making you interesting, that if Hebraid can do, you also can do. So like this only you can take the message from the writer only, that we must be curious about everything, okay, as well as the study. Richard Hebraid has been interested in science since he first began collecting butterflies, and from the starting I told you that in the starting he was collecting the butterflies. And why he was collecting the butterflies? Because he was all alone. I told you he lives in Pennsylvania, and there he was all alone, and his parents has a single sibling, okay, no siblings were there. So because of that he was all alone, not able to play with someone, so he decided to collect the butterflies. He was very curious in stargazing also. Stargazing, you know, stars ko dekhna, and astronomy also. So he was very much excited from the childhood. Since childhood he was very much excited in finding, in experiments also. So because of that he leads this type of life. Today he is leading the good life. You see, in high school now he has not time for the other collecting butterflies, but not so deeply that he has not time for the other interests. Hebraid also become a champion debater. He was not only experimental. Experiment means he has the mind of debate also, champion debater he was, and public speaker he was, and he was a good canoeist. Okay, what is the meaning of canoeist? Canoeist means in Hindi you can say kevat. Kevat, who is kevat? Kevat is a person who swims the boat. If you will see the boat na, you are having a stick, कुछ एक stick होती है, and so that you can move your boat further, you can move your boat easily. So that like this only he has the quality to move the boat, and this activity is called canoeist. Okay, so he was a good champion debater, public speaker, good canoeist also, and all round outdoor person he was. He is also an expert photographer. He was really very good photographer, and he clicks very well, very good beautiful pictures, particularly of nature and scientific exhibits, you know very well. In high school, Richard Hebraid was a straight student because learning was easy, and according to Richard Hebraid, he thought na, okay, study is very easy, learning very easy, we must devotes some time on other activities such as collections, such as stargazing, such as experiments. So according to Albright, we always contribute our life or contribute our time on some other activities. So he turned a lots of energy towards the debating and model United Nations club. He also found someone to admire, and he was a SST teacher. He was a very good teacher, and that teacher teaches him social study. The name of that teacher is Richard A. Verrer. Okay, Verrer. So he actually admires Richard Albright very much, and he opened my mind to new ideas, and actually that SST teacher was responsible to give the new ideas, especially to Albright. Richard would always give the extra effort. Mr. Verrer said, what pleased me was, here was the person who put in 3 or 4 hours at night. Means why SST teacher loves very much, especially to Albright, because he studies very well, he gets good marks also, and he spent 3 or 4 hours at night for the debate, for the researches, for canoeist also, for extra activities, as well as he keeps on completing his study also, and as well as he is just devoting some more time, some extra time, especially at night. Richard was competitive because why? Because Richard Albright has the capability of competition, and he has the mind of competitive also. Okay, beta, mark here. We'll continue in the next video.